Over there.
Over there. I'm not tanking him there. It'll be on my turn.
Alright, well let's wait for him to go.
I'm just saying. I'll give you a countdown, I'm just not
He's got to go
tanking him
next to it, then he's going to go there again. He's going to be like,
Where's he going? Where's he going? Where's he going?
Ooh.
Over there.
It's like playing
Over there.
whack-a-mole.
That'll do.
Oh.
Pulling in. 3, 2, 1, and pull.
Are we still going clockwise here?
Yeah, we're going clockwise. I'm just pulling him back to the door from this way. And I'll turn him this way so you know which way is which.
Purple one's right on his.
Oh, I'm seeing it now. Yeah, sorry. Has that healed?
Yes, sir.
He's on 94%.
Still
think-
there, so
I think he took the heal, didn't he?
you have to keep moving him now.
I've got a volatile pathogen on me. I'm saying, are we quick wiping it or are we going to carry on?
Carry on. Practice.
It's fine.
No, I'm pretty certain. As I say, he's on 94%.
I'm not sure if he-
I'm not sure. Well, I don't know whether anyone else was doing any DPS on him or whether they've all been transmuting themselves. It's hard to
We
say.
have to.
I'm mutated now. So.
Cool.
I hadn't popped any cooldowns since I got the mutation yet.
So now there's a bunch of you mutated. Is it worth blowing Harrow? While we've got the good buffs? Yeah?
I think we got
Is everyone?
And taunted.
yeah, I think.
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
Something's in at night. Use potions as well, guys.
DT's transmogrific crossbog into that also. Oh, it's horrible. Why is it flaming like that?
Fully mutated. Let us know when you want me to tank again, mate.
Why am I only on 2 stacks?
Don't know.
You can avoid them, so.
There we go. And do you want me to taunt? Yeah, fuck it. I'll taunt. Yeah, go get yourself some stuff.
Watch the purples, people. You don't want to get them
The purple people.
hitting you. What's killing Shams?
Pathogen.
Volatile pathogen.
You need to call it.
Oh, it does show
Or
up.
maybe get a heal bot announce for it.
Grins, watch.
Pathogen.
You can't hit me for crap anymore. Is it as a result of being fully mutated? It's not like I'm all dodging and it's like I'm all dodging and weaving and shit, and you don't know what to do with me.
You might
There's a purple one,
like
two
leap
side.
forward a bit 'cause the purple one there. Tanks go.
Maybe.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, mate.
I'll just...
I've got 5 stacks, whatever works for you. My mutations just dropped, so...
I haven't even got mutated yet.
Okay.
Close. Oh, fucking torn it.
Alright, no worries. You got the DPS increase from it anyway.
Yeah.
Mind yourselves while I'm clearing up.
It feels like I'm casting really slowly, but it's just my default cast speed without any of the haste buffs.
Can you need to move him more, mate? The purple ones are catching up.
Moving it.
Yep. And a bit more. Give me a second, I'll be mutated again.
Exactly a minute 40.
I'm dropping this on top of him now, actually. Mind yourself. I'm fully mutated. DPS in the boss.
Started to DPS the
I can
bot.
tank whenever you want,
See what's.
but whatever works for you.
Yeah, go for it, dude. I'm on 7 stacks.
Taunting. There's a cooldown.
$38 seconds to the thing.
Oh, bloody hell. Gone bad. Oh, fucking hell. That was terrible.
And I'll come in and taunt.
I've got some cooldowns, but yeah, that'll do.
Just burn it.
Go on
Of
and you
course.
taunt it, I'll just burn him.
Right.
Building stacks so I can insta-give him in the vain hope that I can... There
Here
it
we go.
is. Boom!
And done.
Wood.
Nice.
Good job.
Fucking awesome.
Nice one, guys.
Oh, a Thunderforged plate.
Oh!
Thunderforged plate healer gear.
Oh!
Yeah.
Woo!